I've just got the train here from South Bermondsey. It takes about 5 minutes and it goes into London Bridge, which is a 5-minute walk that way. As you can see, I'm now on the banks of the River Thames. I've got City Hall behind me, Tower Bridge, the Tower of London just across the river, HMS Belfast is just here. And I'm in this area. There are loads of pubs, bars and restaurants. You could spend the whole weekend here and still not see everything. Down here is the southern bank of the River Thames. If you walk along the embankment upriver, you can pass the Tate Modern and hopefully go in if you want to, past the National Theatre, the London Eye. If you cross over the river, at the London Eye, you've got the Houses of Parliament there, you can't miss them. If you go into town from there, you've got Trafalgar Square, you've got Soho, you've got Leicester Square, and of course you've got the shops of Oxford Street if you wanted to go and do some shopping while you're here. These are just a few of the many attractions you can find in and around London. For even more ideas, visit our website at wigganwarriors.com.